Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I am going to make rice paper chicken. It is rice paper wrapped around chicken pieces and they're fried. And I also make this curry mango dip sauce to go with the chicken. So if you're intrigued and want to see how I made this, follow along and come cook with me. I'm gonna use this kind. I would say this is like a mid-grade thickness. There's different styles of rice paper. This is a lot thinner. This is used to make rice paper salad, which I haven't made yet. And then this one is way thicker than both of these. That's why I said this one's like a mid-thickness range. This one is what would be used to make egg rolls, like this. So I'm just going to use this one. Even though this one's used for egg rolls, I have to play around with this one because I haven't had really good luck. So I'm just going to use the regular one. I don't know how many I'm going to need. So I'm just going to start with a bunch and then go from there. Because I am going to cut them in half and then use them that way. I have washed and patted dry some chicken breast, and then basically it's just cut into nice large cubes, so I'm going to do exactly that. As my nephew would say, this is enough to fit in your mouth kind of size. To this mix, it is also seasoned with curry from what I saw. So I'm just gonna do like a half teaspoon of that. Powdered black pepper. I'm just gonna do like a quarter teaspoon because powdered pepper can be quite and then like a quarter teaspoon of salt. Okay, there's our seasoned chicken. It smells really good. I've never thought to do this with chicken before like this. It's like a little mini chicken egg roll. A little baby roll.
Yeah, so silly, Mommy.
It's so silly. This made about 28 little rolls, and I'm just gonna let them sit for a little bit to firm up so that when I start to fry them they don't unravel or bust open. So I'm gonna shallow fry them in a pan, but we'll see how they turn out. I'm gonna start this next dish by making the sauce. So I have about 3/4 cup of mango, half a cup of mayo. I have kewpie mayo. About a tablespoon of honey. You can also use brown sugar, or I guess whatever sugar you like. Tablespoon of sriracha. Teaspoon of curry powder. If you guys hear little munching in the background, my son is having his lunch. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A little bunch of cilantro, probably like a 1/4 cup. And then the juice of lime. I'll probably do half of this because it feels like it's really juicy, so I just want like a tablespoon of it. This lime is so big it doesn't even fit in this, luckily. There's lemon. You always put the cut side down because that's where the juice is going to come out of. I'm just going to blend this up. I would have never guessed to pair curry and mango, but I guess it is a common combination. So we'll see how it tastes with the fried rice paper chicken. I'm just gonna add a touch more honey. And then I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic and blend that up. Yes, that is much better. I love garlic in sauces.
Look at it.
There's our finished curry mango sauce. It's really tasty. I did it. I made rice paper chicken, and just listen to this. I'm so pleased with myself. I'm always so scared to fry things, and I took my time with this. I thought it through, and when I got to a hang up, I just went with my gut on things. So here's the rice paper fried chicken, and it looks so tasty, and I am so excited to give it a try. Okay, I just have to try one on camera so you could see how it is. I'm just going to use my fingers. They just got done getting fried, but they're like a little bit cool. I'm gonna dip it in my sauce. The curry mango dip complements it well because the chicken is seasoned with curry and it has like that little zing from the lime, and then it has that garlic flavor. It is so good because this is fried, and sometimes fried stuff can taste a little heavy, and this sauce complements it really well actually. This is so tasty. I definitely can't get through this whole bowl by myself, so I'm going to save some for my husband to try. But this was awesome. I'm going to try it in a different way later on without the curry, and I think it'll still be really delicious, but this was so good. I will link the video to the person that made this below in the description, and thank you so much for being here. If you could please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I will catch you on the next video. Have a great day, and again, thank you for being here. Bye.